the Totallee super thin case for the iPhone XR. So I want to give them a shout out for sending this over. Let's dive in. A slim and minimal iPhone case, and let's just dive in. Nice and easy, and this is the case. Whew! Look at how look at how thin this is. Wow, look at this. It's like paper thin. If you're looking for something minimalistic, super thin, go with this case. I like how there's still a little bit of a raise to protect the camera, so you can see that right there. That's a nice touch. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the XR in. Now putting this case on might be a little tricky because of how thin it is. Okay, just slides right on. And here it is. Now, looking at it from the side, no lip, so get a screen protector. Now this case is a little bit translucent and you can still see the red color. I gotta say, this looks pretty nice. This looks hella nice actually, wow. Super thin, cutouts on the bottom, check that out. Wow, this is nice, man. Basically adds no thickness to the device. Take a look at that. Okay, let's check out the access to the buttons. They're open, so no issues with that. And then the volume buttons, yeah, nice and easy. And then access to the switch, yeah, no issues with that. And then take a look at the camera hump. You have a little bit of protection there. The case also has a little raise to protect the hump. I would be very careful laying this phone down face down on a flat surface, and also this way, not much protection either way. But still, if you're looking for something super thin, this is nice. And it feels good in the hand too. Adds a nice amount of grip, and you're not gonna get any fingerprints with this finish back here. So that's a plus for this case. You can see your Apple logo and the iPhone and the product red branding back here. And let's test out the wireless charging, which this should work. The case is super thin, works like a charm. So this is the Totallee super slim case for the iPhone XR. If you're interested in this, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.